Hey guys, how you doing? You okay? So I thought I'd just make a little quick video and it's just about India's Chandrayaan mission and the space program in general. So, you know, there's only a handful of countries in the world which actually have a space program, and we all know that when President Kennedy, back in the early '60s, when he said that they were going to send somebody to the moon, um, and the fact that they did it by the end of the decade, and this obviously spearheaded the USA's space program. They were in competition with the Soviet Union at the time as well. So they had this mutual competition going on there during the Cold War. And now to see India, joining that space race, successfully landing on the moon. Yeah, since then they've lost communication with the rover, but these temporary setbacks happen. But once you have a space program in place, it's a big milestone because if you look at the amount of knowledge that's required, the research that's required, the education levels that are required to make that happen. It's not easy, and the fact that India is actually there means that it can only things can only get better from here. If you have some setbacks, you'll overcome them in the future. And more, I think they've got a mission now to explore the sun in more detail. So yeah, it's looking good, looking bright. And also it's going to encourage a whole generation of engineers, scientists, researchers in that country as well, which is always a good thing because that then expands our knowledge collectively as a human race. So yeah, keep up the good work, and I think that more countries should invest in scientific and technical education so that we can all expand our frontiers of knowledge together. Take care.